Hi everyone, this is Keegan from National Powersports Distributors, and today we're taking a look at this 2017 Harley-Davidson Fatboy. We'll be going through the listing on our website, which you can check out yourself by following the link in the description, or going to nationalpowersports.net and searching the item ID in the top left corner. This 2017 Harley-Davidson Fatboy with 35,580 miles runs well. It comes equipped with ABS and has been upgraded with Reinhardt mufflers, a Screaming Eagle Stage 1 intake, 12-inch handlebars, Harley-Davidson heated grips, LED turn signals, docking hardware, a flush mount fuel cap, a Screaming Eagle ignition wire, radio lines and cables, saddleman seat, a rear fender cover, and a speedometer visor. Powered by a 103 cubic inch V-twin engine, the Fatboy puts 101 foot-pounds of torque through a 6-speed transmission. With a 5-gallon fuel capacity, the Fatboy has a 200 to 220 mile range. It has a 26.4 inch seat height and a 705-pound wet weight. Scrolling through the mechanical condition report, we can see passes on each part of our comprehensive inspection. We measured this bike's charging output at 14 volts, the front tire at 430 seconds, and the rear at 730 seconds. We took this bike for a test ride and found that it runs rides and shifts well. Our technician has noted that the heated grips are inoperable. We've posted the service repair order for this bike so you can see the parts and labor we invested in it when we put it through the shop. Because of this bike's age and mileage, we point out everything we consider above normal wear. The badge is peeling off the intake. This bike has 2 keys, a clear title, and we have purchased a CycleCheck's vehicle history report. This bike is being sold wholesale as is. It received a safety inspection, documentation about its condition, and a detail. It is being sold without a warranty. For additional program details, please review the full program and warranty section in the listing. Additional warranty coverage is also available. We offer nationwide shipping and financing, and we're always interested in trades.
At National Powersports, you can find hundreds of pre-owned motorcycles and powersport vehicles, all with full mechanical and cosmetic condition reports. Work with a team where nobody's on commission, and shop from the comfort of your own home with our nationwide shipping and financing. Come visit us today at our Pembroke, New Hampshire, or Coxsackie, New York locations, or online at nationalpowersports.net.